So, I made it to the top, Mount Scott. I'm not ashamed to admit that I had to walk some of the way, because it's a long way up. But the view is great. We can see the Coast Range. There's Council Crest. OHSU. South Waterfront Development District. Downtown. The river. A couple bridges. Lloyd Center. Greater Southeast. Mount Tabor. I live on the other side. There's 205 down there.
Oh boy, head against a pillow, fast asleep. Poor girl, head against a window,
Kelly Butte
in
in the foreground. And Rocky Butte
One day they
in
will
the background.
be as giants, stronger than the sun. But that
Airport should be out there somewhere.
day can come.
Probably could see Mount St. Helens or something if it wasn't a cloudy day.
Wide world of sorrow, won't stand a chance.
Yeah, it's a long way now.
Wide world of sorrow, won't stand a chance. One day they will be as giants, stronger than the sun. But that day ain't yet come.
Sure, the lots aren't cheap up here.